هغه څوک ده هغه څوک ده
هغه هیله ده هغه څوک دی هغه څوک دی
هغه سباوون دی هغه سباوون دی
هغه څوک دی
Who is he
هغه څوک دی
Who is he
هغه سباوون دی
He is Sabaoth
هغه سباوون دی
He is Sabaoth
هغه څوک ده
Who is she
هغه څوک ده
Who is she
هغه هیله ده
She is Hila
هغه هیله ده
She is Hila
دوی څوک دي
Who are they
دوی څوک دي
Who are they
دوی ماشومان دي
They are children
دوی ماشومان دي
They are children
In Pashto, haga used for he and she, but auxiliary verb is different. For example, in English, auxiliary verb is same as is for he and she, but in Pashto, for male, they, and for female, da. For example, haga sabaun they. Here, they is used instead of s, and that is used also instead of s. If you like to watch our videos, subscribe our Facebook page, TikTok, or my Facebook ID. Have a good day.